Robots taking over trash. AMP's 91 million AI recycling revolution in Virginia. All right, here's a story you probably didn't expect to hear today. Robots are taking over your trash. AMP, a developer of robotics sorting tech, has just acquired the Portsmouth operations of RDS of Virginia, a company that's been running recycling services in Southampton Road since 2005. Now, AMP already had its foot in the door. Since late 2023, they've been running their AMP1 system at the site, an AI-powered machine that can process up to 150 tons of municipal waste every single day. With more than 90% uptime, it's like a tireless robot bouncer pulling recyclables and organics straight out of the bagged trash. With this deal, AMP also takes an RDS single stream facility and their iron up expansion there too. The bigger picture, AMP CEO Tim Stewart says Portsmouth is a blueprint for how cities across America can extend landfill lifespans and hit tougher recycling targets. The numbers are eye-catching. Pair AMP's system with organics and recyclable sorting, and you can convert over 50% of landfill-bound material. That's not just greener, it's potentially cheaper too. And AMP isn't stopping at making clever gadgets. Their move shows they're becoming an operator, running facilities alongside municipalities. For context, their AI has already identified 200 billion items and processed 2.7 million tons of recyclables. Oh, and they raised $91 million at the end of 2024 to keep scaling up. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.